Let's find minor and cofactor of elements or determinant of 3 cross 3 order. In this 3 cross 3 order says that it contains of 3 rows and 3 columns. At the determinant there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So the determinant is called as a 3 cross 3 order determinant. Now we need to find the minor and cofactor of elements or determinant given. Yes, so it is completely related to the 2 cross 2 order. With the help of the 2 cross 2 order only we can do it. So the procedure is completely same, but the only difference is 3 cross 2 order and that is 2 cross 2 order. That is the only difference, and rest all the procedures is absolutely same. For the cofactor is the same for the formula, that is Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. As we have done for the 2 cross 2 order, the formula is absolutely same. Okay, now for finding the minor also it's same, but over there it is 2 cross 2, over here 3 cross 2, in which we can see the slight difference at the minor. So let's start with the now let's write the element with the Aij term so that it will be easy to do the further calculation. Represent an element on the determinant by the Aij format. For doing the further calculation, it will be one of the most important key point to do it. That is, 2 is present in first row, first column. So we have represented an A element which is present in first row, first column. Minus 1 is present in first row, second column. So the A element is present in first row, second column. 3, first row, third column. Yes, for each and every element the procedure is absolutely same. So it will be helpful while doing the calculation. Okay, let's start with the first element. That is nothing but minor of 2. 2 is present in first row, first column. That is minor of A11 is equal to M of 11. Yes, the procedure for finding the minor of the element M of 11, we need to hide the respective row and the respective column of the respective minor. That is nothing but M of 11. So we need to hide the first row and the first column. If we will hide it, then the leftover term we need to represent as like us. No changes. Just we need to put the determinant, and at the 3 cross 2 determinant, after hiding it we will get it as 2 cross 2. Yes, so we need to find the value of the determinant of 2 cross 2. How we need to find it? That is, multiply the first diagonal element, that is over here. Yes, and subtract with the second diagonal element, that is over here. If we will do it, 2 into 2 4, minus of minus 1 into 7, that is minus 7. So 4 minus into minus 7 is nothing but the 11. Yes, this is how we need to find the value of determinant of 2 cross 2. Now what is the difference between the minor of 2 cross 2 order and 3 cross 3 order? At the 2 cross 2 order, after hiding the respective row and respective column, only one element occurs. So no need to do the calculation of finding the value of determinant, etc. But at the 3 cross 3 order, the 2 cross 2 determinant occurs. So we need to find the value of the determinant of 2 cross 2, and we got the answer as 11. Cofactor of C11, that is nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M of 11 by using the formula. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So if we will do the calculation, we will get the answer as 11. Completed with the first element. Now let's do for the A of 1 2, that is nothing but first row, second column, and the value is minus 1. Yes, so minor of A12 is equal to M of 12. Yes, and the M of 12 value is minus 1. So we need to hide the respective row and respective column in which the minus 1 is present. So we need to hide the first row and second column. If we will hide it, then 2 cross 2 determinant occurs. We have represented over here. Now we need to find the value of determinant of 2 cross 2. It is nothing but multiply the first diagonal element and subtract with the second diagonal element. 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into 5 into minus 1 is equal to 7, and we got the answer as 7. Now let's put it in the cofactor formula. C12 is equal to C12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M of 12, and M of 12 value is equal to 7. So we have put out the value of it, and we got the answer as minus 7. Yes, we have completed with the two elements. Now if any queries related to find the value of determinant of 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3, it will be getting at the description link also. So no more worry. Related to the Aij term also, it will be getting in the description link. Yes, so let's move. Minor of A13 element, that is nothing but 3. Yes, we need to hide the respective row and respective column in which the 3 is present, in which A13 element is present. So if we will hide it, then 2 cross determinant occurs. Yes, and we got the answer as -3. So put it in the cofactor formula and we will get the answer as -3. And the same procedure, it will be same for each and every element. Okay, so minor of A21 element over here. So A21 element, the 1 is present. We need to hide the respective row and respective column in which the 1 element is present. Again the 2 cross determinant occurs right over here, and we need to find the value of determinant of 2 cross 2. We will get the answer, and by using the formula of cofactor of A21, C21 is equal to -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into m of 21. If we will write the answer, or we will get the answer also. The same procedure is for A22 element, A23 element also. What is the solution of other 3 elements, that is minor of A31, A32, A33, and cofactor of A31, A32 and A33? The solution is absolutely same for each and every element. Yes, now the main part is we need to represent on the determinant. We need to write the respective row and respective column in the minor elements, like m of 11 is equal to 11. Yes, first row first column, and minor of A12 is 7. First row second column, minor of A13 is -3. First row third column, minor of A21 is -23. Minor of A22 is equal to -11, and minor of A23 is 19. This is how we need to represent the determinant. Now the other 3 is still remaining. Yes, so even that also we will mention. A31 is -5. A32 is 5, and A33 5. Yes, we have represent on the determinant. The same thing we need to represent for the cofactor also. Represent the minor element also. Even we need to find the cofactor also in same way, but here is a small tip for using the cofactor. That is, write the minor element as like as 11, 7, -3, -23, -11, 19. Yes, and -5, 5, 5. We have represented at the determinant of each and every element of the cofactor. Now the main procedure is, okay, for finding the cofactor, one small tip, that is, if the element is presented in ij, for example ij, in which I means the row and j means the column, if we will add the both the term, that is I plus j, and we will get the even number, so we need to write it as positive. Leave with the sign as like us, no need to change anything. But if we are adding both the number I plus j and we are getting the odd number, then we need to change the sign. Okay, this is only the one tip for it. Now the 11 part, first row first column, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Yes, so no need to change the sign, leave it as like us. Now the 7, first row second column, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Yes, so it will be odd number, so we need to change the sign. Yes, plus minus, if minus then plus. Okay, we need to interchange the sign. Now -3 is present in first row third column, so 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That is the even number. Yes, so we need to put the positive sign. That is, no need to interchange any of the sign, leave it as like as. If it is in plus j is equal to odd, then only we need to interchange the sign. If positive, then we need to interchange as negative. If negative, then we need to interchange as positive. But if it is even number, I plus j is equal to even, then no need to change the sign. Cross check the answer, we will get the answer same. Small tip for finding the cofactor of 3 cross 3 order, without using this step and without using the formula also we can find it. Okay, while doing the MCQs, it will be most important thing to note it. Watching. If this Ignited Max is so helpful, then do like, share and subscribe.